Summer is here, and so are skin issues. Melty makeup, greasy skin, and a lot more. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some Korean beauty tips. Lighten up your routine. Layering is important, but summer is the time to lighten things up. Swap those heavy creams for water-based moisturizers and gel serums. These will hydrate your skin without clogging pores. Double cleanse like a pro. Summer brings in more sweat and increases oil production. Use an oil cleanser to remove the sunscreen and makeup and follow by a gentle water-based cleanser. Exfoliation is important, but do it gently. Remove that dead skin, keep the skin bright. But make sure you skip the harsh scrubs in summer and opt for AHAs and BHAs. Sunscreen is your best friend forever. Essential 365 days, but is very special in the summer. Look for Korean sunscreen with SPF of 50+ for broad spectrum protection. The sheet mask magic. Korean masks are beauty staple. Choose one for your skin concern and let your skin hydrate, brighten up and soothe those marks. Mist your way to moisturize. Facial mists are lightweight. Use these with hyaluronic acid or aloe vera. Cooling down the tools. Make sure you store your rollers in the fridge. These cool rollers will help you reduce the puffiness of your skin.